You can easily treat tonsillitis infection symptoms at home with simple steps. We're talking about like, is tonsillitis like a sore throat? Importantly, home treatment help with comfort, but they don't replace medical advice, especially if symptoms get worse, remember? So home treatment for tonsillitis infection, which we call the tonsillitis, that's right there in the throat, okay? So one of the homely remedies that we provide for people with such tonsillitis is, number one, you drink warm water, okay? Warm water, herbal teas, soup, and warm honey drink can soothe the throat and reduce the pain, okay? And then number two, you gargle what we call warm water, warm salty water. If you gargle that for half teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water, gargle between maybe 10 to 15 seconds and spit it out. Do this up to three times a day to reduce the swelling and kill the germs, okay? And number three, rest your voice and rest your body, okay? So we're talking about tonsillitis here, and like I said, tonsillitis is almost like sore throat, and but you can, when you open your mouth and look through, you can actually see that it's inflamed, it's whitish. Your body heals faster when you sleep, and avoid talking too much when you're having sore throat or tonsillitis, okay? Number four, you use humidifier. How do I mean by that? Most air helps reduce throat dryness and irritation. So if your throat is dry, you're not drinking, your throat is dry, definitely there's going to be an irritation and the pain is going to increase. Number five, take warm shower. Steam can loosen mucus and make breathing easier, okay? And number six, eat soft meals. If you're eating hard food, it's going to be very hard for you to swallow. So that is why eating soft, soothing food is the best. Try yogurt, like stuff like a soup, mashed potato, and ice cream, and cold treats, okay? Also, remember, these are gentle on a painful truth. So that is why you have to be very, very careful when you're swallowing it. And do not forget to keep drinking. You need to keep remain hydrated. Number seven, you use over-the-counter pain relief. So if it's safe for you to do so, and if it's not safe to you to do so, you meet your GP to prescribe pain relief for you. So medications like paracetamol or ibuprofen can reduce the symptoms of pain and fever, but only take them if you can easily use them. Follow the label instruction, and remember to stay hydrated, like I said, please. And do not forget to contact your GP if you feel your symptoms is getting worse by the day. Drink plenty of water. Dry throat equals to more pain. I've been there before, so I can tell you for free, if your throat naturally is dry, the pain is going to be increased. So that is why you don't want to get to that situation. You don't want to get to that point where you can't just swallow your own saliva. We don't want that. So please, when home treatment is not enough, please, please, please visit a doctor if you have fever lasting more than 2 to 3 days, please. And also severe throat pain, please make sure you see your doctor. Or white patches on your tonsils, know that it's becoming then you can see a doctor, because sometimes that your tonsillitis can get infected. Trouble swallowing or breathing. The swallowing bit is common with sore throat, but then if your breathing is becoming an issue, please see a doctor. Symptoms that keep you getting worse. Once you see that your symptoms are worse, please see a doctor. Tonsillitis infection can come back often, and if you feel that is the case with you, please also remember to see a doctor. You may be prescribed antibiotics if the infection is bacterial. So only if it's infected, that is when your GP will prescribe antibiotics for you. But in the first instance, follow all the steps I've just told you, and make sure you are drinking plenty of water. Sometimes viral flu and some like cold flu and so many other things will come in when you are having your normal tonsillitis or sore throat. So all those things are normal. So please, but keep drinking. And if you feel your symptoms is not getting any better, or if you think you're getting worse, please, you see a GP. All right? But don't forget to look after your health is very, very important. Don't wait until you fall critically unwell before you see a GP. Remember to see a GP as soon as you feel there's something not adding up with yourself. Try to see a GP, and if you feel all the symptoms I've told you, all the steps I've just listed above is something that you've tried all of them, and your symptoms is getting worse by the day, please see a doctor, okay? But I can assure you, if you follow those steps correctly, your tonsillitis can be treated in the house, and then you can get relief as well. Okay, I wish you all the best, and thank you for watching. This is Chrissantus Investment. Kindly like and share our video if you like it, and we'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.